Welcome to iTech. In this video I will tell you that how to send long videos on WhatsApp. WhatsApp only allows to send 16 MB long videos and 2 GB large files. So in this video I will tell you that how to send long videos on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp and select the chat. Then click on attachment button. Here you can see document option. Click on choose from gallery and select the video that you want to send. So I select this one. It's 69 MB large file and this video is 32-minute long. So WhatsApp accept it. It's uploading. So in this way you can send large files up to 2 GB to your friends and family. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.